So the Euro USD had a bearish day yesterday, just as I stated in my last video. So in today's update on Euro USD, I'll be pointing out certain levels that you need to watch out for as we expect more bearish actions into the zones that we have been discussing in the past few videos. We have maintained that the Euro USD has just resumed a new uptrend, having reclaimed this previous low and also this channel bottom. However, we pointed out that the market has left an imbalance here after this breakout above this falling trend line and also channel bottom. So we've seen an imbalance established here and also a fair value gap just at this point. With these lows that are being printed here, liquidity is being created here. So wherever there is liquidity, the market will always go there. Just like the scripture says, where the carcass is, that is where the vultures gather. So where the liquidity is, that is where the market makers drive the market to. We know that there is liquidity below here because of this equal lows that is being created here, and also this imbalance that is here, and this fair value gap that is here, and also this falling trend line that was broken at this point and has never been retested. So all these areas have got lots of fuel that will drive the market down to this area before any resumption in uptrend. And we can also see that this market has been capped by this falling trend line. So as long as the price remains below this falling trend line, we'll see the market drop below this area and then fill up the imbalances here and retest this broken fallen trend line. When you look at it, you see that this will be a confluence of supports. That is why I feel that this will be the best level where we should be looking for long opportunities as the price comes down into this area. And I also mentioned that you should not be surprised if you see the price even come down towards this low, and this is an internal low. So you should not be surprised if you see the market even dip as much as this point, around 1.1490 area. The only thing is that for the uptrend to continue, these lows must be preserved. From the 4 hours time frame, like I stated yesterday, this level is still holding sway, and now the whole of yesterday we saw the price moving down into this area, and we've got an upside fake out here, and a fake out in one direction of a pattern or a channel will always lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. That means that with this upside fake out, we're going to have a downward move towards the bottom of this channel, and that will also align with that point of retesting this broken trend line. But there is a barrier that we have currently with us, and that is this point, this rising trend line here, and also this horizontal support here. Though they are minor support zones, the horizontal supports held the price right here. So at this point, it held the price from moving up. It was acting as a resistance then. Look at this point, it held the price from coming down. It was acting as a support here. Also right here, it acted also as a support. So that will be an area for the price to contend with on its way down. So if the price is able to close below this area, then we may see that move to the downside quickly, maybe today. Or if the price is unable to close below this area, we may see another rally before we see the drop. I hope this helps you make a wise decision in your trading today. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video. Cheers.